डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर 15 स्टैटिस्टिक्स लेक्चर नंबर 2. Today's first topic is mean deviation about mean. Now, process means algorithm for finding mean deviation about mean. Step 1, find mean of the observation. Step 2, suppose observations be x1, x2, x3 and xn, then we find mod under xi minus x bar, where x bar is stand for mean. I is running 1, 2 up to n. Step 3, mean deviation is defined as sum of all mod under xi minus x bar by number of observation. That is, mean deviation is summation of mod under xi minus mean by n, where n is the number of observations. Example 1, find mean deviation about the mean for the following data. Datas are solution. We proceed stepwise and get the following. Step 1, mean of the given data. We know that mean is the sum of all observations by number of observations. Here number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here number of observation is 8 and their sum is 72. After simplify mean we get 9. Step 2, we find or we get mod under xi minus mean, that is summation of xi minus 9, because mean is we find 9. So these are mod under 6 minus 9. Modulus used for absolute value, that is we neglect the negative sign. So after simplified here this bracket minus 3 mod under minus 3, which is equal to 3. Modulus is used for absolute value, and absolute means neglect the negative sign. So we neglect this negative sign, we get 3. And after all simplify we get step 3, mean deviation. The formula summation of xi minus mean by number of observations. After simplify the mean deviation of, for example 1, we get 2.75. Today's second topic is mean deviation about median. We follow some steps. Step 1, find the median of the given observation. Step 2, suppose observations be x1, x2 up to xn, then we find mod under xi minus m where M stands for median. Step 3, mean deviation. About median, the formula is summation of mod under xi minus mean, summation of xi minus m, where m stands for median, upon n, where n stands for number of terms or observations. Example 2, find the mean deviation about the median for the following data. Data is given as solution. For median, we know that the data are arranging in ascending order. So the ascending order of the data is number of observation here 11, which is odd. So the median is n plus 1 by 2 12th term for odd number of terms. So n is 11. Up to simplify, we get 6th term is the median. So in arranging order, 6th term is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and 6th term is this is 9. So median is 9. Step 2, we find summation of, we find mod under xi minus m, this equal to xi minus median is 9. So here putting value of m is 9. These are because xi we use first 3, so 3 minus 9, mod under 3 minus 9, which is mod under 6, and here mod, so we take only positive value, so we get 6. Similar way we find these values are 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 0, 1, 3, 9, 10, 12 respectively. Step 3, mean deviation about mean is summation of mod under xi minus m. And after simplify, we get the mean deviation about median is 5.27, for example 2. Example 3, find the mean deviation about median of the data the number of observations here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there is number of observation is 12. After ascending order, the data are since number of observation is 12, which is even, so the median we can find the mean of n by 12th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So n by 12th term, that is 6, n by 2 plus 1, that is 7. So for median is mean of 6th and 7th observation. 6th and 7th observations are first observation, second observation, third observation, fourth observation, fifth, sixth observation 13, and seventh observation is 14. So the median is 13.5. And similar way, after solve the mean deviation about median for this, that data is 2.33.